Great service is our top priority, and now we're ready to celebrate with you because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share with everyone. Take a look. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us to know that we're fulfilling our commitment to provide everyone with a first-class experience. So whether you're somebody brand new or you've been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. Contact us soon. We look forward to working with you.